Your favorite cousin is back, and I've got an exciting announcement for you. Hiya, Huns. I'm back home after an extended stay at my beach house while I was getting my walls painted and avoiding my family. I'm getting more and more suspicious that my daddy is hiding my stepmommy while she's on the lam from the law. He's been just a little too cheerful lately. But even that can't dim my excitement at my brand new wine glasses. Check them out, they've got me on them. They hold 8 ounces of wine, and they're pretty spectacular if I do say so. Soon you'll be able to get your own by going to the Velveteen Lounge Kitsch-en store, but if you can't wait that long, just send them a message and they'll drop them in the mail to you right away. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for dropping by. I'm gonna try to get my daddy to come clean about Pearl, and I'll let you know what happens. But in the meantime, I'll see you again real soon.